Philips Dynalite, a company of Signify, is a solution provider for lighting control systems and services which integrate seamlessly into smart building ecosystems. Many developers today aim to create buildings that are sustainable, safe, cost-effective and human-centric, and with the use of our solutions which control many services there such as HVAC, AV, PMS in the buildings, they satisfy these goals and create an environment that responds dynamically to the changing needs of our users. Our success recipe for Dynalite solutions has always been a strong blend of high quality, aesthetically pleasing and highly customizable user interfaces and powerful front and back-end software solutions connected to a robust and cost-competitive range of controllers as a backbone, with almost endless opportunities to dynamically configure the system and meet the most demanding requirements of our customers. Our new SMT line brings significant efficiency and productivity improvements in many operational steps through its seamless end-to-end integrated automation, data exchange and real-time analytics. They enable more advanced predictive maintenance, further supply chain digitalization and improved quality control, leading to reduced downtime and increased efficiency through more optimized human and machine resource utilization and waste reduction. Simply, the answer is yes. One of the key reasons for making this strategic investment in our new PCBA line was to significantly improve agility of our business in responding much faster to our customer needs with competitive, environmentally sustainable solutions built on the latest technology.
Huge for us. I guess through flexibility and customization, we're able to reduce our stock holding overall. So stocking parts now at the component level makes us far more reactive to customer needs and demand spikes. By at the same time reducing our inventory in WIP and finished goods, it helps smooth out the production factory floor and enables a much smoother workflow through for our resources. For us, firstly, machine reliability is huge because obviously we've got the one line, so we're highly dependent upon it. The decision for us to partner with Hawker Richardson was, I guess, the industry experience and their knowledge in PCB manufacture, being at the forefront of technology. For us, made capital acquisitions, I guess, an easier decision, but having them on our team, essentially, and partnering with us makes it simple for us to path the road ahead and give us a solid platform to grow.
Reduce power usage and carbon footprint of our operations with a smart choice of advanced technology machine selection such as Hella Mark 7 reflow oven strongly support both Dynalite and our parent company Signify strategic sustainability goals. In addition, it lowers our operational costs, improving our market competitiveness and enabling us to pass savings back to our customers. Being a technology leader in lighting, we continuously innovate our products and services with the use of latest electronic components. Technology enhancements have brought the size of many to a fraction of a millimeter, and the modern circuit complexities have increased component count multifold, which human eyes with the use of traditional manual inspection equipment can no longer effectively inspect, making good quality AOI system use an imperative to establish total quality control. Post-COVID-19 world has presented new business risks with traditional supply chain and manufacturing offshoring models, whilst presenting new opportunities for reshoring to help improve business agility in responding to product customization requests, to enable further improvements in supply chain with better raw material stock utilization, reduction of work in progress capital, reduced packaging waste, lower transport cost and a carbon footprint.
I guess with the current workflow and our future forecast, we anticipate running it daily. So we certainly have the workload to support that. We're shooting for 98% productivity with 100% quality and reduced changeover time. So by utilising things like the AOI, we expect to increase our throughput tenfold. I think for me it started probably 12 months before the equipment arrived, so during the tender phase and the support we got from the sales team and the engineers, right through to prior to installation. So we spent many days and meetings via Teams and in person to make sure we were as prepared as possible for the installation. So we're working very closely with diagrams, dimensions, services required to make sure the installation was seamless on the day. Yeah, absolutely. For us, we started our training, I guess, on site with Hawker Richardson late last year in preparation for the new equipment to arrive. So the addition of the training portal was instrumental for us to bring it back in-house and then to teach our operators essentially as much as we could before the equipment arrived.
For us, that was very critical to actually get a return on investment as quickly as possible. So having a portal ready to do programming up front, even before the machines arrived, has helped really to expedite, especially in the first 3 months. We had a lot of products coming up much quicker than normally would if we had to wait and do it. So we strongly recommend using portal.
Absolutely. For me, it's a no-brainer. I think the depth of knowledge in the team, the responsiveness to emails, to phone calls, to troubleshooting has been fantastic.